Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to use price label on TradingView. On your TradingView chart, locate the drawing tools on the left-hand panel and search or select the price label tool. Then click on it to activate it. Now click on the exact price level on the chart where you want the label to appear. A text box will appear with the price automatically shown inside the label. The label will also include a point that pinpoints the exact price location on the chart. You can drag the label to a different location on the chart if needed. Move the price label, click and drag the entire label to another area of the chart. To adjust the position of the label without moving the price point, click and drag the text or point separately. You can also customize its appearance by changing text color, font size, text style, background, point color, or arrow style. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.